If you're trying to do deep stretching with a capital S, the first principle is wet noodle. What this principle says is our muscles and the fascia that surround them, they will stretch best when fully relaxed. In the same way you need to contract your bicep to grow your bicep, you need to relax your biceps to lengthen your biceps. Principle number 2, to overcome that myotatic stretch reflex, we need to breathe in a specific way. It's in through our nose, out through our mouth. Exhale mouth for 8. Principle number 3 is time under passive tension. We need to spend at least 2 minutes in a pose or nothing will happen. It's the same as if you went to the gym and you did just one bicep curl, called it a day. Probably not going to have much muscle hypertrophy. With flexibility, you need to spend at least 2 minutes or nothing will happen.